Hi guys! Welcome back to GC Bonsai and Gardening. In today's video, you will join me in planting this Yamadori that I bought online from a friend. This material was collected at Jensen, and this material is the Tugas Bato or Vitex parviflora. I decided to bought this bonsai material because of its characteristic. Okay? Well, when choosing a bonsai material, guys, there are a few things to be considered. One is you must choose a wide base, tapering, going to the tip of this material. So that's a good point. And then the other one is that adds a characteristic for this material and contours is this dead part here, as you can see. And this is what we call in Japanese term as shari. So dead part of the trunk. And then the good thing is that the live veins, as you can see here, the live veins are embracing the dead part. So which makes it more interesting. If we are choosing the front for this material, this one is good because most of the live veins and the dead part are visible. The other good thing for this material is that it has a movement or a flow. So as you can see, it has a visible curve, which is a good material for informal upright style. So as you can see here, guys, there are several branches that were cut off. And these branches, we will expect the shoots to grow there. So hope that there are shoots that will grow on the nodes of these branches. So now, what are the materials needed for planting a Yamadori? So first thing first, we must have a training pot. So I usually use this plastic basin as my training pot. Here I made some holes good enough for the drainage. And then the next is, aside from the training pot, the second one is the soil or medium, in which in our case we use this river sand, so some pebbles or the drainage, plastic mesh, and then pliers, wire cutter, and then bonsai wires for anchoring. So now let's get started.